Hello and welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm going to be doing a demo and review on the Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Shine lip kit. So I love the Sephora Favorites kits, so I thought it would be great to do a review on as well so I could test out all the colors for you guys. I didn't realize that they all were just glosses and didn't have much pigmentation to them. They kind of all look similar, which isn't a bad thing, but it's just not as fun to do a demo when they all look alike, you know what I mean? But I'm still gonna do it anyway. They might look a little bit different when we compare them all to each other, and we'll just see how it goes. Okay, so first let me tell you about the kit. It is $29 at Sephora, and it comes with 5 lip glosses, with 2 of them being full size. And the 2 that are full size are the Fenty Beauty Universal Lip Luminizer in Fussy, and then the NARS Cosmetics Afterglow Lip Balm in Orgasm. And both of those are 2 of my favorites. So you get full sizes of those, and then you get smaller sizes of the Lancome Juicy Tubes Original Lip Gloss in Magic Shell, the Patrick Ta Major Lip Shine in She's Expensive, and the Too Faced Cosmetics Lip Injection Extreme Lip Plumper in Clear. So I'm gonna demo each one of these lip glosses for you, and then I will give a final review on whether I think this kit is worth your money or not. So as you could see in the demo, the glosses are pretty similar to each other, but each one of them has just a teeny bit different variations, but they are very similar. So if you are a lip gloss junkie, all 5 of these glosses are outstanding. So if you love glosses, I definitely recommend you getting this kit, especially since the fact that you get 2 full-size products in here. So it's definitely a great price if you love lip glosses and you just want to try out different ones. So that's going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope it was helpful in determining whether or not you should buy this kit or not. If you enjoyed this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I upload videos every Sunday, and I would love to have you join the fam. So don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys next Sunday. Bye!